welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hello. I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, and if you want to keep watching more of my videos, then you need to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is about this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. If you have been following my channel for a while, then you know that I make a lot of videos on Himalaya Herbals products and I'm really impressed by some of their products. This is another one of their products that I was really impressed with. At first, I wanted to try this for myself, and this mini version of the face wash was available for ₹15 only on Nykaa.com. So when I was placing my order, I also placed this cute little bottle for myself. I wanted to try this face wash as I heard really good things about this face wash, and I wanted to try this for myself. If you have a combination skin, then you're going to relate with me on this one, that people with combination skin, we really have hard time finding for the right products for our skin. Like, we come in the category which is neither dry nor oily, so finding a right product sometimes can be a real task for us, because if I go on choosing product meant for oily skin, then kind of makes my skin dry, and I can't use products meant for dry skin since my T-zone is oily, so again it won't suit me. So as of now, I've been using this Body Shop Tea Tree face wash and I'm really satisfied with that, but that one is slightly on the expensive side. So if you are looking for something which is more affordable and something which suits combination skin, then this face wash is something I can honestly suggest. So if you have a combination skin, then this is a very good face wash for you and for me as well. I really love this face wash, and I'm gonna order a bigger tube of this face wash. This is so small and I've already used it for a week now and it's almost about to finish. And it smells really nice, which again I would like to add because it does smell really nice. Also, it doesn't lather up much, which means that it doesn't have a lot of soap agents in it. It's very mild on skin, so if you have sensitive skin, then definitely this is a product which is not going to disappoint you. You will find this face wash actually very mild and very gentle on your skin. For the price range also, I would say it's really affordable. I will mention the prices of, because this is 15 ml only, so if you go for 100 ml product, then the price would be different. I'm not sure of the price yet, exact price, so I will leave the prices in the description box. So yeah. So all in all, I love this product. Combination skin people, go for it, you will love it. And definitely I need to buy a bigger tube of this one because I really love this. Whenever I find good products, something that I really love, I always make videos on that, either on Instagram or on YouTube. I really love this face wash, so I felt the need to make a video for this one, because seldom do I find good products for my face, and when I find them, I really like to share with everyone what I really like using these days. So apart from YouTube, I also make small videos on Instagram. It's not possible for me to make a video on everything that I use on YouTube. It kind of gets a little bit, YouTube requires more effort. I am actually more active on Instagram, so if you like to follow me there, definitely do follow me there for a lot more reviews and fun and pictures. So give this video a big like if you really like this video, and also let me know if you're planning to buy this face wash, or if you have already bought this face wash, do let me know what is the best thing you like about this face wash. I would really like to know that. And also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye. So for I really liked about this, and refresh and is this, because I really love this. So yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye.